Hi guys, today we will talk about how to connect a Facebook page to Instagram. This process is simple and easy, so let's dive into it. The first thing is open your Facebook. After it opens, you can see I am already logged into my Facebook page. And if you are not, then you have to be logged into your Facebook page. Once you do, take a look on the right top. You can see your page icon, click on it. Now here, scroll down and find the option of Settings and Privacy. Once you see, click on it and click on the option setting. Once you do scroll down, and in permissions, you can see the option of device permission and linked account. Click on the option linked accounts. Here you can see two types of account, Instagram plus WhatsApp. Like we want to connect our Instagram account. So that's why I will click on it. Now if you see this kind of sign, it means you are almost near to connect your Instagram account. So click on the option of connect account. Again, click on continue. Now it's redirected to Instagram login page. And here you have to sign in your account, so just write your username and password. After writing the username and password, click on the option login. If you want to save this info, then click on the first one. But if you don't want, then click on option not now. Again, tap on not now. Now here you have to tap on the option login. Now the last thing is click on the option continue. As you can see, the Instagram account has been connected. Click on the option OK. Now if you are facing any problem while you connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page, it's due to some reason maybe you don't have your Instagram business account, because you can connect your Instagram business account with your Facebook page. You cannot connect your Instagram personal account to a Facebook business page. So make sure you have the Instagram business account. And if it is, then you can simply connect it by following my. And as you can see, my account is connected. And that's it.